Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to see how to do mango rice. And take a vessel and add oil, let it heat. Then add mustard seeds, little bit of peanuts. Fry the peanuts a little bit because it takes a longer time to fry. Then add a little bit of cashew nuts, chana dal. Fry it for a while and then add urad dal. Then add curry leaves and green chili, a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of hing, and give it a good stir. Then add the grated raw mango. Make sure you remove the peel of it and mix it well. After 1 minute of mixing it, then add the boiled rice to it little by little and mix it well. Add a little bit of salt and give it a good stir. Add a little bit of coriander leaves in the end. That's it. The mango rice is ready. It's very easy to make and definitely tastes yummy. And it's mango seasons now, so definitely try this recipe out. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, then please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.